Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into the September Boxycharm unboxing. All three of my boxes are here, so today I'm filming with all of them. I don't know the order these videos are going to go up, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you can see my Luxe and Premium unboxings as well, because I have no idea the order I'm going to post these in. But today we're doing the base unboxing, so if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into my Boxycharm Base box for the month of September, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the base Boxycharm box, which is the $25 subscription price, which means that this is the every single month for $25. Typically, they're about $125 to $150 in value, and to find out if it's a good box, I like to see, do I get more than that $25 worth out of the value of the box? So, jumping right into the theme card, the theme this month is going to be Boxycharm Behind the Scenes. I honestly have no idea what that has to do with September or really anything, but I guess it's a cute vibe, and this is going to be variation 38. When you read that long-winded number on the bottom, just to translate it for you, C21, 2021, 09 is September, and then 038, which means we are unboxing variation 38. Now, the first item out of the box is going to be one that I am very familiar with. I have gone through a full bottle of this before, and I used to love it, and now not so much, and I'll get into why in a little bit. But this is from Glam Glow. This is the Glam Glow Youth Mud. It is a glow-stimulating and exfoliating treatment mask. So the Youth Mud exfoliates with volcanic pumice rock to help smooth the appearance of fine lines and visibly soften your skin's texture, while the natural clays lift impurities without disturbing your skin's essential oils. Antioxidants from green tea smooth for more glowing, youthful-looking skin instantly. Retails for $60. Now, this is not a bad mask. I have used this in the past and I do really like it. I just have found ones that I typically like more. Lately, I've been using one from Joanna Vargas, which is an exfoliating, similar like glow, retexturizing kind of mask. They're actually very similar. I just personally find the Joanna Vargas one to be a little bit less intense. You know, I don't love physical exfoliators. I prefer to use more of a chemical exfoliator, but a little bit of that like pumicey exfoliation is okay. I just find that the Glam Glow one is not as good in my opinion, but when this launched several years ago, like many years ago, it was one of the best masks on the market. So you gotta give Glam Glow their credit, but not for me. The next item I unfortunately cannot use on camera because of an allergy. This is the Georgette Klinger Marula Primer. Retails for $32, but it does contain apricot, which my husband is deathly allergic to, so we keep this closed, sealed, and I'll drop it in an upcoming giveaway. For those of you who do not have an allergy with apricot or stone fruit, you won't have an issue, but unfortunately in my house, that's a no-no. Blur imperfections and ensure an all-day radiant finish. Hydrating and long-wearing, it cushions skin with advanced hyaluronic acid, ensuring silky smooth makeup application that will not settle into pores, fine lines, or dry areas. A nourishing blend of marula oils and vitamins A, E, F, and B lock in moisture to protect against visible signs of aging. Ideal for all oil and silicone-based foundation formulas. Again, retails for $32. Now, I don't like oil or silicone-based foundations. I like a water-based foundation, so no matter what, this was not going to be the type of product that I would really get any use out of. However, the apricot in there just kind of didn't even give me the choice to try it. So always make sure you're checking your ingredients to make sure there's nothing that you could have a reaction to if you do have allergies. The next item is now another item I cannot use. This is from INH, insert name here. This is the Quick Slick. It's basically a mascara with like hair gel for your edges. So this is a Quick Slick is designed to quickly and easily touch up your hair. No alcohol, safe for sensitive scalp, non-irritating, non-flaking essence to slick and smooth your baby hairs and flyaways with a light peach scent. Retails for $22. I love the story behind INH. I follow them on Instagram. Like, I'm really a big fan of their brand from the sidelines. I'm just not really their customer, if that makes sense. I don't do extensions, I don't do wigs, and I definitely don't need to tame my flyaways because my hair is kind of doing its own thing. So definitely a cool product, and I know my girl Jotty G is going to love this because she swears by keeping her flyaways down. So it's a good product, just not for me. And the next two products in the box do require me to have my face done. So I'm going to go off camera, do a bunch of my makeup, and I'll be right back to try the next two products on the box. I'll be right back. All right, I am back and we are on to the next item out of the box. Now, this comes from the brand Pinky Rose Cosmetics, and this is the multi-use makeup base sticks. A creamy base multi-use makeup stick that can be used on the eyelids as an eyeshadow or a primer, or as eyeshadow. Can also be used on the bottom lash line, waterline, brow bone, or lips. Perfect duo, can be used together or separately. I'm going to be using this on the eyes today because I have no other eyes. These are the two colors. They come in Hip Hop and Jazz. Hip Hop is more of a creamy matte, which I'm actually going to use as an eyeshadow base today. The other one is more of a bronzy rose goldy copper that I think I'm going to use as an eyeshadow. So I'm going to start with this one right here, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. So as someone who has used the Bobbi Brown shadow sticks and the Laura Mercier shadow sticks, these are not nearly as smooth or creamy. I'm going to grab a concealer brush just because I feel like that'll be the best to apply this. And I'm going to pat this all over the lid and up and under the brow bone. So it went on. It's got opacity and it's got some pretty decent color. But there's a lot of tugging to get it there on the eye, which I'm not a huge fan of. Especially when I have tried, you know, again, the Bobbi Brown shadow sticks or the Laura Mercier ones. There's just really nice, super creamy and soft, blendable, high pigment sticks on the market. That why would I use one that really makes me tug at my lids? This one also takes a little bit more work with the brush to get everything to set down. That being said, it does dry down to a matte finish, so I think it could be a really nice long-wearing stick, but I'm not really in love with the product, but hopefully the shimmer one is going to go on a little bit smoother. So I'm going to wipe that along the lid. It is definitely a little bit softer, but not enough to where I think I would ever reach for these again. Yeah, that is not great. I'm going to go throw on an eye with something that's a little bit more user-friendly and definitely doesn't require me tugging at my lids, and I'll be right back. All right, I am back, and the eye is done. Definitely a lot easier. I went in with the Laura Geller palette from last month's box and a chrome shadow on top, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So much better than those sticks were going. So, jumping into the last item out of my base box, this is from Huda Beauty, and this is the Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. Mine is in the shade Day Slayer, but I do already have one that is like one shade darker, so I'm going to use the one I already have because I don't need that many lipsticks. This one is going to be in the shade Mogul. Retailing for $20, this hydrates the lips with a with a highly pigmented lacquer-like sheen and a velvety satin finish. Not too many words, which makes me happy. I'm going to throw this on without a liner and just see how it works. This isn't a see how it works. I already know I like the formula. So the reason I went with this shade is the one I got in my box is a little more neutral, and because the eye is super cool, I wanted a tiny bit of warmth to the lips, so I went to one with that was just like a tiny bit warmer. Anyway, I do love the formula, and it is a really pretty color. I will end up wearing this, I'm sure, just not with this eye look. So all in, this box had a retail value of $154, which for a $25 subscription box is actually a pretty decent value, assuming that the types of products are going to be the ones you like. Now, because there are so many variations, there's a chance that there are variations I would like more out there, but of the ones I got, there was really only one product I liked, and it was the lipstick. The mask is not bad, again, good, not great, but all in, I definitely got more than like $25 in value, but not much more. So all in, not my best Boxycharm box, but it was okay. A solid like 5 out of 10. So let me know your thoughts down below. Did you think this box was worth it? I would love to hear what you guys have to say, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!